Okay, I'm gonna do some linear programming. So it's gonna give me like 4 equations like this, sorry, inequalities like this. I'm gonna graph them out. So I'm gonna start at 5. I have a slope of 1/2, so up 1 over 2. It's gonna give me a solid line. I'm gonna be shading with 4 different colors so that I see every intersection, because I'm really looking for where it's shaded for all of them. Now it tells me y is greater than or equal to 0, which y is greater than or equal to 0 is going to be right here and shaded up. So right now the only part that's shaded for both is this area right here. X is less than or equal to 10. So right now I have this triangle right here. Y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. Negative 3, so I'm going to go down 3 into the right one. And it tells me greater than or equal to that, so I'm going to be shading this way. So the final part is everything that's contained inside of this region. That's the answer. Everything that's in here is an answer for all 4 of these inequalities. And that's what I'm looking for when I'm doing this. Now the second thing that they'll ask me to do is they'll say, given maximize. So when it tells me something like this, what it's saying is, for the vertices of these lines, the vertices, which one do I plug in to give me the largest value? So I'm going to find them all. So here's one vertex, here's one vertex, here's one vertex, and here's one vertex. So I'm going to figure out what all those vertices are. So this one's at 2, 0. So I have one at 2, 0. This one's at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10, 0. That should have been obvious. 10, 0. And this one's at 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10, 11. So when it's telling me to maximize, that means plug all of these in and see which gives me the largest one. So what I'll do is I'll say P equals 2 times 2 plus 3 times 0. I'll do it with the second point. P equals 2 times 0 plus 3 times 5. I'll do it with the third point. P equals 2 times 10 plus 3 times 0. I'll do it with the fourth point. P equals 2 times 10 plus 3 times 11. This one gives me 4 plus 0, which is 4. This one gives me 0 plus 15, which is 15. This one gives me 20 plus 0, which is 20. This one gives me 20 plus 33, which is 53. So the maximize, when it says to maximize, the maximum value is 53. The maximum input is 10, 11. So the input is what I put in to get the number that is the value. Hopefully that makes sense. Sometimes they'll also tell me to minimize, which means find the smallest value. So the minimum value is 4. The minimum input was 2, 0. Hopefully that makes sense.